Hello everyone, good evening. I hope you all are staying safe at your places, taking care of your loved ones. I know in this situation everybody needs to be more safe, more careful, and more of a healthy. So, my name is Diksha and I'm the admissions person for Shoreline Community College, which is in the United States. It is in the Washington state actually. सो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कम्युनिटी कॉलेज. शोरलाइन कम्युनिटी कॉलेज हमें क्यों चूज़ करना चाहिए, व्हाट आर इट्स रिक्वायरमेंट्स, क्या ऑफरिंग्स दे रहे हैं हम इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स को, एंड मैनी मोर थिंग्स. So, first of all, I would like to thank Elite Overseas Education for providing me this platform जहाँ पे I'll be talking to everybody today and telling about the concepts of lot of things, especially about the community college and Shoreline Community College. So, introducing myself once again, so my name is Diksha and I'm the admissions person for Shoreline Community College, which is in the United States. Also, for any query, for any questions, you can use the comment box below. Okay, so starting up with the Shoreline Community College. So we were established in 1964 actually, and we have been recently introduced to the Indian market. So the concept of community college began because of the students who are not financially sound and somewhere who desire to who wish to study with the US universities but have not good academic scores. So if I talk about the institution types in the US, so generally we see that there are the universities, then we have the private college and the private universities. The third one comes is the community college. So community colleges are actually the pathways for the students who wants to study in the US, in the universities actually, with the least fee structure. So कम्युनिटी कॉलेजेस का कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि जो बच्चे जो फाइनेंशियली अच्छे नहीं हैं या जो एकेडमिकली अच्छे नहीं हैं, उनके लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी है एक तरह से यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ने की इनटू द यूएस बहुत ही कम पैसों में विद इन वेरी लेस फी स्ट्रक्चर. सो अगर मैं शोरलाइन कम्युनिटी कॉलेज की बात करूं, सो एज आई टोल्ड कि हम वॉशिंगटन स्टेट में हैं, और अगर मैं इसकी मेन लोकेशन की बात करूं, सो वी आर इन सिएटल एक्चुअली. सो सिएटल इज़ एक्चुअली अ प्लेस जिसको बिजनेस हब भी कहा जाता है. ऑल्सो यू वुड फाउंड 500 मोर कंपनीज जिनके हेड ऑफिसेज जो हैं वो इस्टेब्लिश्ड हैं इन और अराउंड सिएटल. लाइक अगर मैं नॉर्थ पार्ट की बात करूँ इन इंडिया, सो आई ऑलवेज कंसीडर दैट दिल्ली एंड गुड़गांव आर द प्लेसेस जहाँ पे हमें बहुत अच्छी वर्किंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिल सकती हैं या मिल जाती हैं. सो सेम इज़ विद द सिएटल. इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट होल ऑफ द वॉशिंगटन स्टेट, सो सिएटल ऐसी प्लेस है जहाँ पे हमें बहुत अच्छी वर्किंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलती हैं, क्योंकि वहाँ पे हेड ऑफिसेज एस्टैब्लिश्ड हैं ऑफ मोर देन 500 बिग कंपनीज. So out of those, if I can name some, are like Microsoft is there, Alaska Airlines, Boeing, Starbucks is there, Amazon is there. So there are lot of big companies जिनके head offices जो हैं वो established हैं वहाँ पे, जिसकी वजह से बच्चों को वर्किंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ भी अच्छी मिलती हैं. रेस्ट वेज रेट में भी काफ़ी अच्छे उनको वेजेस मिल जाते हैं. सो इट इज़ लाइक अ हाईएस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ द वेज रेट ऑल्सो इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट द सिएटल सिटी. So coming on to what offerings we are offering to the international students. So we, as I told, that we were established in 1964 and we are providing 100 plus programs to the students. So we have 100 plus programs which we are providing to the students. Also we are a very big campus with a 383 acres, which is like a whole of a forestry campus. 83 एकर्स का बहुत ही बड़ा कैंपस है हमारा, जहाँ पे इनबिल्ट भी काफ़ी सर्विसेज मिलती हैं, लाइक एज क्लब्स आर देयर, जिमिंग थिंग्स आर देयर, स्पोर्ट एक्टिविटीज़ हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं बच्चों को, एकोमोडेशन फैसिलिटीज़ भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं टू द इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स. देन हम जो स्टूडेंट एल्यूमिनी फेयर्स जो हैं हमने वो भी अरेंज करते हैं हर साल बच्चों के लिए. ओरिएंटेशंस रहती हैं वहाँ पे. देन स्टूडेंट ट्रांसफ़र, यूनिवर्सिटी ट्रांसफ़र फेयर्स भी रहते हैं कॉलेज में. सो इट इज़ लाइक हर साल हमें नई नई एक्टिविटीज़ करने का मौका मिलता है विद द शोरलाइन कम्युनिटी कॉलेज. ऑल्सो जो करंट स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन्हें मौका मिलता है टू मीट अप द स्टूडेंट्स जो पास आउट हो चुके हैं फ्रॉम द शोर लाइन, जिससे कि करंट स्टूडेंट्स जो करंटली पढ़ रहे हैं उनको कॉन्फिडेंस आता है एंड दे गेट टू नो कि क्या कैसे उन्होंने स्टडीज़ कंप्लीट करके पास ऑन हुए, देन कैसे उनकी यूनिवर्सिटी स्टडीज़ उनमें हेल्प करी गई, कैसे उनको यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ़र्स मिले, कैसे उनको वर्किंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिली वहाँ से. सो दैट इज़ वाई स्टूडेंट एल्यूमिनी फेयर्स भी करे जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से करंट स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो मोटिवेट होते हैं. Then coming on to the program options what we are providing. So we are providing two of the main categories basically. So the one is 2+2 transfer program. So इस 2+2 transfer program में we are targeting the 12th standard market. इसमें वी आर टारगेटिंग 12th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे जिनकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स जो हैं वो काफ़ी कम हैं, लाइक एज वी आर ओनली आस्किंग फॉर 50% ओवरऑल इन देयर 12th स्टैंडर्ड. सो इट्स जस्ट 50% ओवरऑल, कोई इंडिविजुअल स्कोरिंग नहीं चेक कर रहे हैं हम, बट ओवरऑल में वी नीड इज़ द 50%. ऑल्सो इंग्लिश प्रोफिशेंसी टेस्ट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड. अब इंग्लिश प्रोफिशेंसी में वी आर एक्सेप्टिंग IELTS, TOEFL इज़ देयर, SAT इज़ देयर, एंड करंटली ड्यूलिंगो जो चल रहा है, ड्यूलिंगो इज़ ऑल्सो वी आर एक्सेप्टिंग. So with the Duolingo we are asking for 95 score, then with IELTS we are taking 5.5 overall and 6 in writing, which is like a quite less scoring we are asking for, like 5.5 overall and 6 in writing. Then with the TOEFL it is 70 overall and 20 in writing. So every English proficiency test has their different scoring, but we are asking actually for the least one. So 2+2 transfer actually means और नेम से भी क्लियर होता है कि with the 2 years, first 2 years the student will be studying in the Shoreline Community College and they will be earning their associate degrees, and for the further 2 years they will be moving to the universities and they will be earning their bachelor's degree. So on a total count the students will be earning 4 years of bachelor's degree, which could be like into any program field. Like as I mentioned, we have 100 plus program categories which student can apply for. So उस according बच्चे 4 साल की bachelor's complete करेंगे through Shoreline. Now it is like 2 years वो Shoreline में पढ़ेंगे and they will be getting their associate's degree. 2 साल के लिए transfer होंगे to the universities and they will be getting their bachelor's degree. Now total count of 4 year of bachelor's degree they will be getting. Universities के मामले में we have very good university tie-ups. Shoreline की काफ़ी अच्छे university tie-ups हैं जिनमें से बच्चा अपनी मर्ज़ी से कोई भी यूनिवर्सिटी चूज़ कर सकता है. दैट इज़ अप टू द स्टूडेंट उसे कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ना है, एंड देन वी विल प्रोवाइड देम द I-20s फॉर द सेम. एट ए टाइम बच्चे को 2 I-20s ऑफर होंगी, लाइक वन इज़ फॉर द शोरलाइन कम्युनिटी कॉलेज विच विल बी द अनकंडीशनल वन. द सेकेंड वन इज़ द कंडीशनल ऑफर लेटर विच इज़ लाइक अ कंडीशनल I-20 for the university. So 2 of the I-20 student will be getting at the same time. So the second category what we are offering is the high school completion plus program. Now this is something जो कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ वाशिंगटन स्टेट में ही अवेलेबल है. The name is high school completion program, जिसमें हम 10 स्टूडेंट्स को टारगेट कर रहे हैं. So 10 स्टूडेंट्स लाइक माइनर स्टूडेंट्स रहते हैं वो, जिनके साथ गार्डियंस तो नहीं अलाउड हैं, नॉर इवन द पेरेंट्स आर अलाउड, बट इन दैट केस उन्हें होम स्टेज फैसिलिटीज़ हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं. दैट मीन्स दे विल बी लिविंग विद द अमेरिकन फैमिलीज़ देयर. सो हम अमेरिकन फैमिलीज़ अलाउड करके देते हैं उन्हें, जिससे कि दे विल बी लिविंग विद द फैमिलीज़ ओनली. दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू लिव आउटसाइड एनी वेयर और इवन द कॉलेज कैंपस. सो दे विल बी लिविंग विद द फैमिलीज़. सब उनका खाना पीना रहना सब कुछ जो है दे विल बी लुकिंग आफ्टर, दोज फैमिलीज़ विल बी लुकिंग आफ्टर. बट फॉर द 2+2 जहाँ पे हम 12th स्टैंडर्ड को टारगेट कर रहे हैं एज ए सेड, सो 12th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चों के पास ऑप्शन है इफ़ दे वांट टू लिव विद द कॉलेज एकोमोडेशन और नॉट, और दे वांट टू लिव द आउटसाइड. सो दैट इज़ देयर चॉइस, जैसे भी उन्हें स्टे करना है. बट फॉर द 10 स्टूडेंट्स दे हैव टू लिव विद द कॉलेज फैमिलीज़ विद द ओनली द अमेरिकन फैमिलीज़ ओनली. सो विद द 10th स्टैंडर्ड हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट्स थोड़ी सी हाई हैं, विच आर लाइक 70% ओवरऑल वी आर आस्किंग फॉर. And then is with the English proficiency test we need 6 each, which is like 6 no less than 6 we require. So 10 students के साथ हमारी requirements थोड़ी सी हाई हैं, but with the 12th standard we are just asking for a 50% and 5.5 overall and 6 in writing with the IELTS score. So ये दो programs हैं which are the highlighted programs what we are offering. One is for the 10th, other one is for the 12th. So 10th वालों के लिए certification भी extra मिलता है, like as in the first year when they will be studying in the Shoreline Community College, so they will be getting a high school diploma certificate from the Washington State. In their second year they will be earning that same associate degree, or after completing their 2 years with the university they will be getting that same, which is a bachelor's degree. So 10th वाले students के साथ 3 certifications provide होंगी, and with the 12th one there are only 2 certifications which are like associate degree and the bachelor's degree. अब 10th वाले they are saving actually a huge cost and a time also. Why? Because they don't have to do their 11th and 12th standard from their own school or from their own country. So they will be completing their senior secondary along with the first and second year in the Shoreline. So time duration, the study duration is same with the 10th student, either it's a 10th or a 12th, वो 4 साल की ही रहेगी duration जो भी है. It's just that 10th वाले अपना time save कर रहे हैं by not doing 11th and 12th additionally from their own country or moving to another country. So this is what the benefits 10th student is actually getting. Also for the 12th they are saving their huge cost by studying in the Shoreline and getting transfers to the big universities. So in terms of universities we have a very good university tie-ups जहाँ पे बच्चे transfer ले सकते हैं. Whenever they will be filling out the student application form, उन्हें सिर्फ यूनिवर्सिटी के नेम पे टिक मार्क करना है, and we will be providing I-20 for the same university. Now I-20 shipping time जो है हमारा that is only 7 to 10 days. So some people say it takes a month to courier or to receive, but it is nothing like that with the Shoreline Community College. So we are just providing this within 7 to 10 days. Within 7 to 10 days student will be getting the I-20 shipped at their addresses. So the basic programs now what we are offering, those were the program categories what I told, which is high school completion plus program and 2+2 transfer. Now what the actual programs we are offering? So the programs as you can say, it could be the arts, commerce, medical, non-medical. For any kind of a program category students can go and study with the pre-majors. Like if I say forestry is there, engineering is there, then physical education, nursing, accountancy, business, automotive is there. So any kind of program with the pre-majors student can study with Shoreline Community College and can pass out with the bachelor's degree into the same program. So we have 100+ programs where students can take the transfers. Now coming on to the main part, which is like the expenses part. So if I count it like everything you are getting under a one roof, it is something like that. Like under $20,000, within just $20,000, we are providing the accommodation, fooding, insurance, books, tuition, fees, travel passes. So any of the expense for a 1 year, if you can count for a student, so we are just providing it under $20,000, which is like a 15 to 16 lakh rupee if I talk about the Indian currency. So it is like just 15 to 16 lakh and student is getting everything with the accommodation, with the fooding, with the travel passes, the tuition, fees, books, insurance, everything. So if you would compare the cost of Shoreline with the other college and other universities, you would found behind every year you are saving $30,000 to $40,000, which is sometimes like a huge amount for some students who wish to study in the US, who wish to study within the US universities. So for those students, the specifically community colleges have been built. Especially Shoreline is helping out the students in any which ways so that they can fulfill their dreams of studying into their desired universities. So coming on to the intakes now, so we are providing the 4 intakes. which is like January, April, July and September. So currently we are working on the July session, which is like a last of the June we will be beginning with the classes. So classes are fully online according to looking after the current COVID situations, we are fully online. So with the June end, students can apply with the online classes. Also we have recently got the information that from the October embassy will be opening the interview dates. So hopefully will be allowed to travel anywhere now. So let's see what happens next. But then we have a September intake after the July, and then is the January and April for the next year. So I would suggest not to waste the time. So it's a high time to apply at least for the online classes. By not just sitting free at home. Okay, so we have academic advisors also in our college, like who guides the students for choosing their program, for building their career. So in case if a student wants to change their program somehow, they are not feeling comfortable with the program they are studying, so they are allowed to change their program anytime. And then is if they want to change the university, they are allowed to do that also. So we are very flexible in that terms in changing the students program, also in changing the students university also. Now the main topic comes up when it comes to US, the interview, that how are the students going to crack the interview. So with the interview preparations and the interview sessions also, we are helping out, our international team is helping out to the students in their interview preparation. So हमारी इंटरनेशनल टीम बच्चों से बात करती है, उनसे क्वेश्चंस पूछती है, उन्हें आंसर प्रिपेयर करवाती है एज पर जैसे एम्बेसी में पूछे जाएंगे. आफ्टर दैट इंटरव्यू जब उनकी प्रेपरेशन इंटरनेशनल टीम के साथ हो जाती है, आफ्टर दैट इंडियन ऑफिस इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ इधर मी और माई अदर टीम मेंबर्स टॉक टू द स्टूडेंट जब तक बच्चे की इंटरव्यू डेट नहीं आ जाती या जब तक उसकी इंटरव्यू प्रेपरेशन फुली नहीं हो जाती. We keep on interacting with the student on the daily basis. So in that terms also we are helping out student in any which ways. So interview preparations के लिए बच्चों को कोई डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because those are some of the basic questions जो उन्हें पूछे जाते हैं. It's just about their confidence, how confident they are while they are giving the answers. So as I told that we have the lawyers also, we have the advisors also in our college, and looking after the current COVID situations, we are fully online. So Shoreline is offering programs online. Earn your associate degree from your home and transfer to the universities across the US. So this was whole what I have told about the Shoreline Community College. So for any further questions, for any further inquiries to know about more about the program options or any kind of requirements, you guys can contact Elite Overseas anytime. So I can see a few of the questions here which I would like to answer. No, not yet. Somebody is asking that is government make any change in the rules regarding intake of courses due to this pandemic COVID situation. No, nothing is happening yet. We are hopefully looking for the positive results. As I told that we have seen the embassy dates to be opening from October. So hopefully travel will begin and there will be the no intake problems will be there. And if I talk about the online sessions, so student can begin their classes while when they reach the college, since they stopped from when the classes were online. So जब online classes बच्चे ने जब छोड़ी और जहाँ से छोड़ी, so student will be starting up their classes जब वो college पहुँच जाएंगे एक बारी. So some as of now there are no rule changes in terms of the intakes also. So fee as I told, it is like a overall expense if I tell you, so it is $20,000 जो कि student को as a show money भी दिखाना है. Also if I tell about what documents are required, so these are just the simple 4 documents जो बच्चे को चाहिए. That is like passport he requires, then is the academic, English proficiency test चाहिए उसको, and the fourth thing is the bank statement. Now that bank statement must include $20,000, which is like a overall expense as I told. So $20,000 उसके अकाउंट में होना चाहिए. फंड्स एक दिन पुराने भी चलेंगे, बट अकाउंट शुड बी द ओल्ड वन. ऑल्सो अकाउंट बच्चे का हो सकता है, पेरेंट्स का हो सकता है. ऑल्सो वी आर एक्सेप्टिंग द थर्ड पार्टी. सो इन दैट टर्म्स फंड्स हम एक दिन पुराने भी ले रहे हैं. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट ओनली ट्यूशन फी, so it is something like less than even $10,000. So even that 20,000 student don't have to pay at just one go. It is something like when he will be paying for the tuition fee, and when he will be paying for the accommodation, when he will be paying for the fooding. So that is how by bifurcation they have to pay their fees also. So July intake is the current intake where we are working for the online classes right now. Accommodation facilities are also there for the students. We are happy to serve them. They have the different rental rates actually, because we have the rooms within the 2 of the sharing, 4 of the sharing. Apartments have the different structure with attached kitchens or somewhere lobbies. So all have the different rentals. You guys can contact Elite Overseas for further information on this session also. Okay, yes, we will be helping out the students with the embassy interviews also. As I told, my international team would also be helping the students first. So they will be talking to the student how they have to give the answers, what kind of questions will be asked to them, and later on the Indian team will be looking after the students till the time they do not go for the interview and they are not fully prepared for that. Okay, so I guess I have given all of the answers. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody for taking out your time listening to me. And for more queries, please contact Elite Overseas. Thank you so much.